Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Let me show you how quick and easy it is to tunnel a sidewalk. I've shown you this before, but this is a great example, and you can learn how to do this, and you don't always have to cut the walk. Take a look. Okay, tunneling the sidewalk. Showed you guys this many times. Takes about 10 minutes, maybe 15. A lot of prep work to get started. We dig a trench long enough where we can get the big shovel down underneath. We're going to scrape from the top. In other words, we're going to scrape at the bottom of the sidewalk. So the top of the sidewalk. We scrape that, pull under, pull out the dirt. Do it on both sides. You'll be through here in just a few minutes. Okay, so I'm going to scrape the top and then come back and just take out as much as you can get. It'll start to come out of there. A few rocks right here. But the secret is to get the top, and you'll be able to go right through there. Then come back, and I see a sprinkler head right here to the side of the trench. Always something in your way. We go as far as we can go with this big shovel, and then we use the little shovel, and it just finishes it right up. So I'm about halfway with the big shovel. Let's go get that little shovel. I'm about halfway with this shovel. Let's go get the little shovel and we'll finish. Now I'm going to use the smaller shovel. What I mean by smaller, it has a narrower, it's 6 inches wide. Again, scrape the top, break it loose, come back, and you just get out a small amount, but that's fine. This side has a little bit of rocks in it. They slow you down. But with a little bit of effort, you should be able to get right through there. Yep, already through. There it went. It went right through. Now we just need to make it wide enough for a 4-inch pipe. You just twist it, pull it out, get the dirt out, and you'll have it. That might be it. Let's take a look. So you can see, put this under there, and you can see our hole. There, let it focus. There we go. We've got a nice 4-inch opening all the way through. We'll be able to push our pipe right underneath of there. So again, a little bit of effort. Takes 2 shovels. You use the regular shovel as far as you can, and then you come back. We call this a sharpshooter shovel, but it's a trenching shovel. It's 16 inches long by 6 inches wide, and it makes a real nice, easy hole to get through. So this sidewalk's done. A little bit more of a trench up there, and we'll be ready to lay this. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.